Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the update on Stellar. On a daily time frame chart, recent price and XLM has broken down this red line. This is the red line, the exponential moving average 21 that was recently working as a support, and now after the breakdown for the past few days, it is flipped into resistance. By the way, here for several days, it has been working as a resistance as well. And by the way, we are also having a very nice support of Ichimoku bullish cloud that was previously broken down. And after breaking out this previous down channel, we also broke out this cloud and that is now flipped into resistance. And we also have this very nice support of 40 cents as well. That was recently working as a support here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance here. And now after the breakout, again, it is flipped into a support. Now, if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that here we have now a quite clear formation of another down channel. Here we have found this down trendline resistance. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and here we have found this down trendline support as well. And now the pricing is once again moving towards the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this down channel formation. And I would also like to show you this very strong resistance line that we have found here on the daily time frame chart from 45 cents to 51 cents. Recently, you can see that the pricing is once again rejected by this resistance line as well. I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is happened on the on the weekly time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern for the past almost 2 years, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive pump. And you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, it has been moving inside this channel for several months. And after the breakout from this channel, we had this very nice pump. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for TradingView, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingViews chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me just show you the long-term trade setup for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that XLM formed on the monthly time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that finally the price line is geared up from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And so far, it has pumped almost more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me just show you this daily time frame, even the 4-hour time frame. And here you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, now we have a very clear formation of another down channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And here we had a long spike, but the price could not break it down. Then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce. And recently, the price is once again rejected. If this time it will test the support of the channel, then it can drop down here approximately at 37 cents. But before that, we have a quite long-term support of 40 cents as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the target will be here at the top of the channel at 51 cents. That is, by the way, the top of a very strong resistance zone. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this 45 to 51 cents is breaking as a very strong resistance zone. Previously, it was working as support zone, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. Now, here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, the price and also broke out this Ichimoku bullish cloud as well that is now working as a support. But recently we have broken down the support of EMA 21. Therefore, we also need to break it out. You can see that it is struggling a lot to break it out once again for the past 4 or 5 days, but so far not able to break it out. But I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks out this channel and the EMA 21 resistance, and then I'm expecting that it can soon also break out this resistance on from 45 to 51 cents as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 63 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very, very massive rally. By the way, for the past 2 years, I've been sharing two very massive bullish reversal setups with you. One was a harmonic based, a Fibonacci based, a bullish Gartley pattern. And we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That target zone was from 42 to 66.81 cents. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that we are really very close to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.